Hello everyone, in today's video we will be going to the Shenzhen Talent Park to order a coffee with the drone delivery robot. By the way, we were driven there by a robot taxi. Check out our previous video if you are interested in our robot taxi experience. Just keep in mind that you must have a Chinese phone number to be able to order or book both the delivery drone and the robot taxi. If you don't have one, we recommend you to book a guide to assist you or get a Chinese friend to help you out. Now, we were very unlucky with our guide, as you will see later in the video. She had no experience in neither the drone delivery order or the robot taxi, which lead to moments of frustration. So, if you choose to book a guide, make sure he or she has previous experience with it. Now, let's go!
We follow to the park. We're gonna order some coffee delivered by drone. Shenzhen Talent Park, this is where we are at. Here we have the Xiaomi headquarters. The sun is out. It's hot, hot, hot. I can't even open my eyes. Right, guys? Very hot. A business park. Just amazing. City of Shenzhen. Wow. Wherever you look, you see those high skyscrapers. We're in this little green spot in the middle of the whole skyscraper thing. There's some water in front, a little pond. Beautiful. So hey guys, what's a bit funny is we thought we book ourselves a guide for today because we couldn't make it work with a phone number, you know. To order the coffee you need a Chinese phone number, and to order the robot taxi you need a Chinese phone number, which we couldn't make it happen, unfortunately. We have a eSIM only. So we booked a guide for that. Paid $400 for that. I'm coming up the exact price. For 4-hour tour, which includes the robot taxi, the coffee, drone delivery, and we go to DJI and so on. But somehow it seems more and more those guys that just drive around like to make time. Now, we are walking through this park in the heat. Funny thing, we stopped all the way over there. So we drove around this park like 2 times, forward and back, and hit it here and there. Now, we passed this place here on my right side 3 times. We even asked, why don't we stop here? She said, no, go to the entrance. All the way on this other side to come here. So basically we wasted another 20 minutes by car and another 15 by walking. This is how you make the time. I'm willing to pay. I don't discuss. But if I feel somebody's fooling me, I'm not happy. And I say it. I tell you. All right, where is she? Ah, she took off. Now we have to hurry for sure. And she said if we have some spare time later, she's going to take us to a market where we can buy some souvenirs. I said, no, not interested in souvenirs. Stick to the things we want to see. We have only one day. We want to go to the metro station, to the Eye. We want to see a bit of Shenzhen. Tonight we're going to do the light show. In between, we want to go to the electro market, of course. So if she only points us in the right direction, we're just going to drop her at one point, I think. Because there's no information coming, nothing. This is crazy, actually. I'm sure there's many things to know about this fantastic city. Anyway, not complaining. Let's enjoy. We are at a fantastic place. Shenzhen, in China. Most modern city on this planet. Yes, it's only 40-something years old. Before that was nothing here. Oh my, what they built here. So impressive. And here it is. The drone delivery. Well, it's not an airport. Drop off. This is where it comes. Yes. Cool. That's it. So the ordering here, I can tell you, it's not easy. We use quite some time here. And we have a local guide with a local phone number, and we're spending some time here now. It's not easy. We tried to scan ourselves, but Fee kind of really got stuck with the phone number verification and everything, and then it just went blank. I think now we're getting through with the order at least. Gonna take around 25 minutes or something until it comes.
Yeah, 12. It's okay? Yeah, 12:20.
Yeah, it's perfect. Yes.
You can take a time, okay? It's okay? Yes.
Sure. So we wait for 12:20 to 12:30. It's the expected delivery time. Now it's 5 to 12, half an hour to wait for a drone to come with the coffee. But hey, that's worth it, isn't it? We're here once, so we need to do that. See, this is the kind of hurdles you're going to have. First is the scanning with the WeChat that froze. You got a confirmation via SMS message. And then you have to import in Chinese and place the food or everything this you can do. But scanning with WeChat, you can't do the translator thing with Alipay, unfortunately. So this is a bit unfortunate. And then you have to find the import address. This is also in Chinese and everything else. And then they're going to send you messages. I think this is why it's important you have a Chinese phone number, because they're going to tell you when this thing takes off and when it's going to come. Anyway, this is why we have our guide today. Apparently our coffee is arriving. Let's see if we can catch that actually. Yes, that is our drone, our coffee landing. How cool is that? The coffee has landed. Drops our package. Yep, package went down. And
Open, waiting.
this is the pickup. Meanwhile, the drone leaves. Thank you, bye-bye. That thing is massive. Wow, it makes a lot of wind. I don't have control over her app. Neither does she. That was not ours. It tells you very clearly on the app, actually. Oh, joy. You happy? There's something coming flying. Should be ours now. Cool. Come on down. Careful with my coffee. Careful with my coffee. It's parked. Gonna drop our package. Drop it while it's hot. Dropped. And it goes down. I'm sorry that we need to use a babysitter today. But yes, this is how it is. And I think it's still not ours. And the drone is off again. Bye-bye drone. There's another drone waiting actually in the queue. Oh, look at that, this is cool. Now we have two drones here. So one is leaving left and the other one is coming with our stuff. Here it is. My God, this is worse than the airport here. So much traffic. Those things really good. So let's see. We have to wait. I don't know why this company sends us someone who has no clue what she's doing. This is actually a bit annoying. But we'll see. Bye-bye drone. Here is the package. Take it out. Okay. Sophia does that. And then we put it here. Now, we open the reusable box here. And how does it work? There it is. Take out the baggie. Right, and here it says fold the box and put it back in here. Press it. There you go. And then just in there. That is that. And now let's see what we got here. Let's have our very first drone coffee. Sealed. Thermo bag. This is interesting because we ordered one hot and two cold. So by now they should have all the same temperature, I would guess. What do we have here? Yeah, postcard. Okay, kind of thing. Nice. This is just a holder. Okay. That's it. Lift this up. There you go. And then you can pierce to something. Perfecto. So, our very first drone coffee. Let's see. Yep. Good. Very nice. Tastes the same like the one you buy in the shop. Just delivered by drone is cool, right? You wait half an hour and don't even complain. Very impressive. Look there. It's coming. I mean, this is a business model. I mean, people just order overpriced things just because it's delivered by a drone, right? And they even wait half an hour, no problem. That was the drone delivery. How cool is that? I find it amazing. I mean, if you have all the apps working, especially if you have the Chinese phone number, my friends, and either you're fluently reading Chinese, because scanning with WeChat we can't translate, or you have a very good screen translator on your phone. So, but the Chinese phone number is a must. Then you come here, order yourself McDonald's or coffee or whatever you want. It's really cool. It's impressive. I mean, I like those gadgets. I love it. I mean, come on, you get your stuff delivered by a drone flying in a box. If you have the chance, do it. If you don't have those options, then just come here and watch the delivery. I mean, there's always people ordering. So you saw it, we had like 3 drones arriving before ours. So you will not miss the show at least. You don't get a coffee or some food for yourself, but you can at least watch it. So that's it. Now we're heading off, walking back to the car, and then we're gonna move to the DJI shop. So basically myself, I use a lot of DJI gadgets as well, and they're really, really good. So now we're gonna see what they have in store, where they come from, and well, it's a surprise because our lovely guide doesn't tell us anything. We just follow. I'm in shock. She has never done the drone thing before. She has never done the robot taxi before. So it was actually really a bit of a mess, the whole thing. But hey, we got it done. Without her and her Chinese mobile phone number, we wouldn't have been able to do so. Later on, she's gonna drop us at the Guangxi metro station. Guys, this is crazy. We're just following. She's not even talking to us. This is really annoying the hell out of me. I'm paying for that. Seriously? Sorry my language, but this really makes me mad. I mean, come on, they send us somebody who has no clue about the things we want to do, specifically ordering those attractions. She didn't even know that was an app to be installed to order the robotaxi, that it was available here to start with. Drone, she didn't know anything, never done that before. I mean, come on.